How's it going, guys? So one of the things that I had trouble learning at the beginning was how to add polishing compound to my leather strop. Now, there's a lot of different directions from other people online, but I'm going to go through how I learned how to do it. And it doesn't require any tools or anything like that, or any extra heating, which some people recommend that you go ahead and put your polishing compound and heat up the leather somehow, whether with a heat gun or hair dryer, but I just use my finger. You just put the polishing compound on like a crayon. Like I have it on this corner here where there's nothing on there. Put it on, and then just take your finger and rub it in. The friction between your finger and the leather will start melting the polishing compound. And you can see right there, we're starting to get darker. And it'll start going into the strop a little bit easier. I have some right here that's not all the way blended in. Just take your finger and rub it back and forth. And that friction is going to get it in there. And you can add more if you see gaps. Just keep doing that. I got some gaps up here I want to fill in. There we go. And you can see that you can't really see the leather much anymore. Now, like I said, this is how I figured out how to do it. There's plenty of other ways out there. Some of them may be a little bit more efficient, but this one did not require any extra tools or steps from me. I just put the polishing compound on and just started rubbing it in. There we go. It's not perfectly flat all the way across, but over time, like I have over here, after you strop for a good period of time, your blades will start working the polishing compound into the leather a little bit more. So eventually it will become a nice, smooth layer of polishing compound on there. Now you can heat this up too if you wanted to at this point, and then it'll spread it out even more, but I've found, like, after stropping for about 5 minutes with various knives just to work it in, it literally turned into that. It doesn't take much to do. But yeah, that's how I learned how to do it. I'm sure if anyone's got some other tips and ideas of how they did it themselves, go ahead and put it in the comments. That way that there's a nice resource for anyone that has any questions or wants to figure out what's best for them. I don't think there's any real wrong way to do it, but the more information available from the various people who have done this before, it'll help everyone out. Yeah, there we go. You see how it's starting to blend in a little bit more after doing this. I've seen some other people where they do different methods of stropping, like rubbing it up and down. I just found that doing it, pushing from one side to the other, works pretty well. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and test this on a scrap piece of paper here. That was my little outline to my bunny there. See how well, yeah, that goes right through it. That's good. Thanks for watching, guys. If you found the video helpful, go ahead and hit like and subscribe to see more. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.